guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be about this look right here. I really had so much fun creating this look, and it turned out so much more better than what I had in my mind. I did not really try this on before I started filming this video. I just had a picture of this in my mind and I started creating the look right here in front of you guys, and I'm so happy that it turned out so much more better than what I had in my mind. So as you all know, this look is last in the series of the makeup looks I'm creating inspired by elements. So I have started with spirit, and then I created a look for earth, air, fire, and this one is inspired with the element water, which is associated with blue. So I have taken a lot of light blue and a darker shade of blue to line my eyes, and I have also incorporated a little bit of blue in my highlighter and a lot of glitter as well to make it all look seamless and also elegant at the same time. So if you are interested to see how I created this look, then keep watching. So I am done with my look. I hope you loved this video, and I hope you liked this look. Please do leave your comments and reviews in the comment section below. I would love to read them. If you really like this makeup look and you want to see more of this kind, then do subscribe to my channel and also click on that notification bell icon so that you will be notified every time I post a video. Until the next time I come back to you guys with another amazing video. Bye bye and take care.